Hello, today we will guide you through how to integrate Google Sheets with HubSpot. In this walkthrough, we'll use the HubSpot Marketplace to find the Google Sheets integration and begin the installation process. This is a straightforward setup, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few moments to get started. Begin by opening HubSpot and going to the home page. This is your main starting point and where you can access the tools, settings, and marketplace options available in your account. If your dashboard looks slightly different, that's normal, since layouts can vary a bit depending on your account view or updates to the platform. Once you're on the home screen, look near the top area of the page for the Marketplace option. Take a moment here to scan the top navigation so you can identify the correct menu before moving on. This will help you quickly locate integrations and apps in the future as well. Next, click on HubSpot Marketplace. This will take you to the area where HubSpot lists available apps, integrations, and connected tools. The Marketplace is where you can search for services that work alongside HubSpot, including Google Sheets. After the Marketplace opens, go to the search field and type in Google Sheets. Be sure to enter the name clearly so the correct integration appears in the search results. If you see multiple related results, look for the one specifically labeled Google Sheets. When the Google Sheets result appears, click on it to open the integration listing page. This page usually includes an overview of what the integration does, along with details about permissions, features, and setup requirements. It can be helpful to pause here for a quick review so you know what to expect during the connection process. From there, click Install and then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. During this stage, HubSpot may guide you through authorization steps, permissions, or account confirmation screens. Read each prompt carefully and continue through the process as instructed on screen. This ensures the connection is set up correctly and that HubSpot can communicate with Google Sheets as intended. And that's it. You've now started the process of integrating Google Sheets with HubSpot through the HubSpot Marketplace. If you run into any prompts asking for access approval, just review them carefully before continuing. Taking an extra moment during setup can help avoid connection issues later. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide made the process simple and easy to follow.